Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Seekway LED Player to set up hardware and software, adjust program color, and use some conversion features. Firstly, we'll learn how to set up hardware. We click Settings, Hardware. We can adjust the controller settings, chip settings, or network. We can also click Controller Advanced Settings to adjust more. If we change something, don't forget to click Confirm to save. Then we can click Settings, Software. In this interface, we can turn on some basic features, such as time switch or autoplay when starting Windows. In this display settings, we can change display scale or mode. Then we can choose different network or audio input. Besides, we can also change some more settings. Next, we'll learn how to adjust program color. We just click Settings, Program Color Adjust. Then we select the programs that need to be adjusted. We can adjust its denoise, brightness, or gamma, so we can see the changes in real time. Besides, we can also choose Curve Adjust, select Channel, and adjust preset smooth curve like this. After doing these, we should click Save. Last, we'll learn how to do some conversion. We click Tool. Now we can see there are 5 conversion features. Size Converter is to convert sizes and quickly put the same effect into project of different sizes. Program Conversion is to convert selected programs to other formats and add them to the program list separately or in combination. That is all about using Seekway LED Player software to set up hardware and software, adjust program color, and use some conversion features. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.